Welcome to this focused road sign guide designed to test your recognition skills. In this video, we'll show you two similar road signs side by side, and your task is to pick the correct one. Knowing these differences will help you respond correctly while driving and prepare you for your driving test. If you find this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more practical driving content. Let's get started. Which one shows the opening bridge road sign? A. Spot the No Pedestrians road sign in this pair. A. Choose the correct No Vehicles over height. Shown sign. A. Where's the Motorway restaurant road sign hiding? A. Find the Motorway road sign in the options below. B. Which one means no parking in the middle? A. Identify the sign that bans trucks carrying hazardous materials. B. Pick the symbol for breakdown assistance. A. Which one represents a roundabout ahead? A. Which is the no entry road sign? B. Can you tell which one warns of road narrowing on both sides? A. Spot the no parking zone sign. A. Which one ends the controlled parking zone? B. Choose the filling station road sign. A. Where's the low emission zone indicator? B. Which sign bans motorcycles? B. Select the steep ascent warning. B. Can you find the crossbuck road sign here? B. Which one signals first aid nearby? B. Choose the road sign for straight ahead or left ahead. B. Which direction only sign shows straight ahead? A. Spot the end of low emission zone sign. A. Which one ends a no parking zone? A. Find the sign that marks a dead-end street. B. Which one is the railroad crossing with 3 striped warning? A. No vehicles of any kind permitted sign. A. Choose the correct speed limit road sign. B. Which one shows a cyclist crossing ahead? A. Can you tell which sign warns of slipperiness due to snow or ice? A. Which one tells you to stop driving on the shoulder? A. Spot the uneven road warning. A. Where's the sign for grit or gravel at the road's edge? A. Which sign marks the start of a pedestrian zone? B. Pick the sign for the beginning of a parking place. B. Choose the crossbuck with lightning rod. A. Find the crossroad or junction with priority from the right. B. Which one shows the bus lane road sign? A. Who gets priority over vehicles from the opposite direction here? B. Which one marks the start of a speed limit zone? B. Spot the roadworks sign. A. That brings us to the end of this road sign quiz. We hope it helped you practice identifying the correct signs for safer, more confident driving. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more clear and practical driving lessons. Thanks for watching, and stay focused on the road.